Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can book the cheapest flights to Japan step by step. So the first step is using flight comparison tools. You want to start with Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Momondo. You want to enter Japan or specific cities like Tokyo or Osaka. You want to set your departure city and then you want to click on Explore. From there, you want to be flexible with dates. Flights to Japan are cheapest midweek, so you want to use the flexible dates options to see a calendar of prices. Third is you want to choose nearby airports. Flying into Osaka or Fukuoka may be cheaper than Tokyo. You want to compare all Japanese airports. From there, you then want to set price alerts. Use Google Flights or Hopper to get notified when prices drop on your chosen route. From there, you also want to use incognito mode. Search in private browsing mode so your prices don't go up from repeated searches. 6 is you want to check budget airlines and stay hidden city tickets. AirAsia, Zip or Scoot sometimes offer cheaper options. Also, tools like Skip Lagged shows hidden city deals, so just be cautious with the luggage fees. And lastly, you want to book 1 to 3 months in advance. For Japan, booking around 60 days ahead often gets the best price. For cherry blossom or summer season, you want to book even earlier. Now, as a bonus tip, you want to use travel credit card points. You want to pack light to avoid baggage fees. You want to check round trips and one-way trip combo. And then you want to fly in low seasons like January, May, or September. You always want to compare total cost, including seats and baggage before your booking. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.